and today we're going to make Mapo Tofu, but in a very different and very easy way. And here I have 2 centimeters of ginger. We'll be using quite a lot. And let's slice it. And it's done. Ready? Into strips. And now into very small pieces. Three cloves of garlic. And the same thing. Slice them. And into small pieces. Green onion. This is to taste, but you can be generous. Add plenty. A little bit of oil, about 150 grams of ground pork. You can use beef too. Add the garlic, ginger, and green onion. And 1 tablespoon of gochujang, which is the Korean paste. One tablespoon of mirin. 1 tablespoon of sake. 1 tablespoon of sugar. 1 tablespoon of soy sauce. And 1 teaspoon of toasted sesame oil. Now let it brown well. About 2 minutes or so over medium heat, stirring. And here, after about 2 minutes, add 200 ml of water. And now let it boil. Once it starts boiling, add half a teaspoon of salt. A bit of cornstarch dissolved in a little water. And then just turn it off.
And here I have 200 grams of soft tofu. And let me know in the comments which way you like best, the way I made it or cut into cubes.